never signed a piece of legislation, nor did he lead troops into battle. But boy, could he get his way! Godzilla! TNT honors one of our own special heroes during an all-day President's Day celebration of Godzilla movies and tunes during TNT's Godzilla-rama.
Up from the depths, 30 stories high, breathing fire, his head in the sky. Godzilla, 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 and Godzuki.
Fans go wild when TNT's Godzilla-rama returns after this. TNT now returns to the king of the cartoon monsters, Godzilla.
Blake, have you taken the seismic readings today? Any quakes?
Not yet, but what's the point? This island is solid as a rock. We've never had so much as a...
What is it?
A volcano.
But this is Alaska. That volcano's been dormant for millions of years.
Oh, not anymore. Look.
Got to get off the island, Blake. Head for the boat. It's our only chance.
The boat! It's gone! What do we do now?
Radio for help. Any ship in the area. We need help.
Godzuki, where are you? Look, I know you're back here somewhere. What do you mean, how'd I find you? The whole ship knows you're back here. Now get up on deck. And no more hide and seek, okay?
Looks like Pete found Godzooky.
And about time, too, Quinn. I've been sailing since I was a boy, and this is the first time I've ever felt seasick.
Right, Godzooky seasick.
I'm getting a strange reading, Captain Majors. You're on the...
That's Godzooky again.
Godzuki didn't do it, really.
There's been some kind of earth tremor. It set off a series of tidal waves.
With the biggest yet to come. Look!
We'll capsize. Captain Majors, we better call Godzilla.
Pete's right, Captain. It's our only chance.
The Calico is safe.
Thank you, Godzilla.
Isn't he terrific? amazing.
And a wet one.
Pete, you'd better at least teach Godzuki how to dog paddle.
Don't you mean monster paddle?
The earth tremor originated due north at Pitkin Island in the Aleutian chain.
Pitkin? That island's volcanic.
An eruption?
It must be.
The emergency channel.
Need help. Boat swamped. Volcano. Help.
I'll get us up to full power. Brock, you figure the course.
Aye, aye, sir.
Can we make it in time, Carl?
Get Godzuki airborne, and we'll give it all we've got.
You're slowing us down. Take to the air, fella. Come on, Zuki. You gotta keep up with us. Attaboy, now stay with us. Captain Majors! Captain Majors, there's somebody on shore!
Help! We're here! We're here!
Hurry, Carl!
Don't worry, Quinn. We can rescue him with the hovercraft.
Talk about the nick of time.
We'll get you back to the Calico. You'll be safe there.
This could be worse than it looks, I'm afraid. Whatever caused this eruption could cause a chain reaction. Every dormant volcano in the Aleutians could erupt.
Yes, causing tidal waves around the world. We have to find out what caused it. Aerial view was a good idea, Brock. Just steer clear of the air turbulence. Take it lower, Brock. I want to get some closer shots. These ancient lava tunnels might well lead us to the core of the volcano.
Go inside a live volcano? You're joking, Quinn.
It's risky, but we should try it.
Be careful, okay?
Don't worry, Pete. Blake is an expert geologist. He won't do anything foolish.
No, Godzuki, you can't go.
You can actually talk to him?
Well, sort of. It's more kind of just knowing what he's thinking most of the time.
Amazing. Would you say he's thinking of flying off somewhere?
No way.
Well, there he goes.
Godzuki, come back!
You were quite right, Dr. Darien. This lava tube could lead us directly to the center of the volcano.
Okay, let's move in.
If I know Godzuki, he's heading for the island. Someday I gotta have a long talk with that monster. as I thought. He came this way.
Things are really beginning to heat up.
We're getting close to the core of the volcano, Brock.
I'd say we're too close already.
Just a little further, Captain Majors.
Godzuki! Hold on, Godzuki! Come on, Zuki, you can do it! I know you can! You gotta!
Up ahead. We're coming to the end of the tunnel.
Well, looks like we've stepped out of the frying pan into the fire. There's no way we're gonna cross over that.
There was another tunnel back near the...
It looks like we have no choice now.
Captain Majors! Where are you? I don't know. I'm beginning to wonder if we're in the right volcano, Zuki. Uh-oh, the volcano's acting up again.
Hold tight.
It should pass in a minute. The central core should be right through that tunnel.
I feel like we've been invited to a barbecue dinner and we're the main course.
Look at that. That's a new fissure.
We're lucky the whole island didn't sink. That is one big split.
Leading down to nothing but more magma. Now let's...
Not just magma. There's something else down there.
The next round of TNT's Godzilla-rama continues after this. TNT now returns to the king of the cartoon monsters, Godzilla.
A living creature, actually existing in that mass of molten rock.
Would you scientific types forget about your work? It looks like that thing's got wings.
Yeah, let's get out of here before that thing mistakes us for birdseed.
Did you hear that, Godzuki? Hey, guys, it's us! Are you there?
Did you hear that?
What?
Quinn, it's me and Godzuki!
Pete and Godzuki.
We came to help! Where'd that scary shriek come from?
Sorry I asked. We've got to get Pete over here. But how?
There's only one way. Godzuki will have to fly him over.
You're right, Carl. It's our only chance.
Pete! Godzuki! He's got to fly you over to us! That's what I was thinking! We can make it!
Come on, Godzuki, up! Up in the air!
Come on, Godzuki, boy! Fly! Fly!
You can do it!
Nice going, Godzuki.
Now, let's get out of here before that thing gets free.
All engines ahead full, Captain Majors.
Sounds like that volcano's gonna blow again.
It's the creature. It's coming out.
We'll never make it. Godzilla's our only chance. Watch it, Godzilla, behind you!
The Firebird. We picked it up on the heat sensor scope.
Good work, Brock. But it looks like it's heading for the Arctic, and with the incredible heat that horrible creature can generate, it could mean big trouble.
We think the Firebird might be migrating up here to lay eggs.
You mean like when the salmon comes up north to spawn?
Exactly, Pete. And if our theory proves correct, the world will be at the mercy of millions of Firebirds.
Quinn, the heat sensor scope. Either we're losing the Firebird, or there's a big drop in the heat it's giving off.
To them. We'll be smashed to pieces.
I'm trying to keep her steady.
At capacity, Captain. I'm afraid an overload could blow this thing up.
It's melting, Godzuki! The whole ice island is melting! Godzuki, come
to Godzilla, that fire creature's out of the way.
And you gentlemen can get back to your island.
Right. Hey, everything's great.
Oh, no, it's not. Godzuki's coming in for a landing. No, Godzuki, no!
You're coming in too fast! Slow down! Slow down!
Aw, Zuki, are you ever gonna learn? That's what I thought. Never. You know I have to punish you. You can't come back on the boat. No, you can't come aboard.
The next round of TNT's Godzilla-rama continues after this. TNT now returns to the king of the cartoon monsters, Godzilla.